We're currently still in Arizona. Me, Bredington, and Bredington. We're on the way to New York right now. We're going to some, hey, WAP is flying us out. I know we're not special, but, and they're doing that to a bunch of people, but hey, free trip to New York City. I personally love New York City, so I'm about to go to this little store right here before we get on this flight and try to get some headphones, because I have no headphones at all. I've been going since 2020. I've been going to the gym with no music, just raw dogging, bro. So
what the fuck? You're cooked.
Yeah. Oh god, I literally raw dog it. No music, no nothing. All right, boys, we made it to New York. It's insanely hot for some reason, but got Brez, we got Fredo. Yo, New York's kind of a vibe though. It's actually nice, bro. It feels good to be like in the Matrix, because everyone's like doing their own thing. No one knows anyone.
Like how it's like active, bro.
Yeah, no one talks to anyone. Like everyone's just doing their own shit, bro. So it feels good to be like in the Matrix gang, you know what I'm saying? And we're low-key thinking, yo, fuck Miami, let's move to New York. On some different shit, bro.
I would only move here if we get like a penthouse. So
it's so expensive, but at the same time, bro, I feel like moving to Miami is like cringy now, bro. Like all these little kids moving to Miami, like thinking they're gonna get rich and shit. Like, yo, why is New York so nice though? Hey, if there's one thing about New York that you can respect, is that everyone's trying to get to the money, bro. There's people doing some freaky ass shit to try to make some money, bro. Like there's a dude in the subway right now just fucking stripping on the pole, bro. No one even gave him $1 either, which is kind of sad, bro.
Bro almost kicked me in the face doing his work.
I respect it though, bro. All right, boys, we just ate some underground ass little wings place. I'm feeling fat as shit right now. Look how nice this is though, bro. We were just talking about, it's like, what would be the vibe if we lived here? Like, what would our routine look like? We'd probably be doing the same shit, like just sitting in the crib, working. So I don't know if this is the right place to like sit in the crib at.
I feel like I'm about to throw up, bro. That burger got me.
Look at this dude, bro. What are you doing, bro?
You gotta crush it.
Bro has never smoked a cig before, gets to New York and acts like this is normal. We're talking this, we're like, bro, we're probably like, obviously there's people in Arizona that make a ton of money,
Can we go swimming?
In our space, we're probably like some of the most, like, I don't know what to say.
Or Tempe low-key.
In Tempe, where we live, we're like low-key some of the more up people, and it's like,
Obviously Scottsdale's a different game, but Tempe we're maxed out.
Like Scottsdale, bro. You go to Scottsdale, you don't see all that like upness, you know? Dude, I don't see yours is really anywhere.
all right, bro. All right, big bro. All right. Move to Miami then, bro. You'll be road traffic.
Yeah, no, facts. I would be road traffic.
So leave in the comments down below, is it cringy to move to Miami in 2024, bro? I feel like it's just like played out, bro. I feel like the type of kids that are there, you guys know who I'm talking about, bro. The rented Lambo kids that post up in Miami.
And I feel like you guys fuck with us because we like are different, bro. Like we live in Arizona.
If we were in Miami, you guys would not watch us.
The next day, boys, woke up, got some coffee, got Bredington. Bro, people really walk by this guy, don't know he has the best organic Discord in the game. I'm complimenting you. Why are you mad? Do you know that this guy has the best organic Discord in the game? Boys, I just did some work. I just reset Bred's webinar. Last Webby we did like, what, 15K? Did like 15K. So like 2 days ago we did like 15K. We're like sitting at like 15 to 20K per Webby, which is like decent without ads or anything, completely organic. But we're gonna try to switch the call to action at the end of the webinar to a call booking funnel, like a call opt-in funnel, rather than a CTA being like, here, buy the Discord access for $500 lifetime. We're gonna switch it to apply for a call, and we're gonna try to book in straight to high ticket for the 4K offer and then downsell on the 500. Yeah. I think it's gonna work. We'll find out, but I think it'll print. Think about how many calls we could book in, bro.
That's a lot of calls.
It's a lot of calls. All right, boys, we're at this random store right now. We're about to get some drip right now. We're about to try to get Fredo's drip up. Fredo said he's about to drop 5 bands. So we're at this like reselling slide. This store's actually fire. They have like designer shit, but it's like resold. So we're gonna try to find some pieces right now. Let's see what we get. All right, we got Fredo in the flesh looking for some drip. What is this? What is this? This is Fredo's toughest fit he could throw right now.
God, why are you, bro? The camera actually turns on and dude starts hating.
No, because I said outside in the vlog, I said we gotta get Fredo some drip right now.
Fuck you.
Why are you mad, bro?
Because the camera turns on, you turn to a hater.
Let me see.
Bro, I'm looking, relax.
We're documenting your journey. In New York, I'm basically equivalent to like like Pop Smoke. Like that's how known I am out here. So yo boys, am I drip right now? Yo, give him a pan of the beer. Am I low-key dripping right now? Am I low-key dripping? You guys let me know in the comments. Try this shopping shit again. There's been absolutely nothing in any of these places, bro. Got a Rolex store right here. Oh, they have my watch right there. Bro, I swear the watch I have, they told me it was rare.
Yo, that's
There's
beautiful,
mine right there. Bro, they
face.
told me my watch was rare when I bought it, and now everywhere I go, I just see it, bro. Like, we got cooked.
Are we going in?
I got absolutely rinsed for my Rolex, bro.
We got the two most basic Rolex.
Bro, I went in, when I bought my Rolex, it was 16.5, right? I went back into the same store. They had the same watch for 11.5. I was like, bro, I got fucking rinsed. Last time we went to the mall, Brez was supposed to get a Cartier. He ended up with an AP. Let me see the AP. All right, so now we're about to go to the Cartier store. He's about to drop another 8 bands.
I was trolling your ass.
No,
I'm not buying another watch.
Bro.
Show me your wrist.
You're bro.
Let's go wrist for wrist.
Nah, my wrist hurts right now. I can't put it up. Bro, you're actually broke. You're not gonna buy it. It's only 8,000, bro.
Buddy.
What?
I just spent this on a watch, bro.
All right, boys, just cop these Burberry glasses. I've been looking for some glasses like this. Let me know in the comments. I think these are fire as fuck. A little more classy. I've been wearing those Prada ones. Fredo just bought the same glasses I have, the Prada ones.
Bro, I kept telling him, I was like, I don't want to buy them because you have them. He's like, just go ahead, just go ahead. As soon as I swipe my card, damn, same glasses, bro. Like, bro.
You glee.
Pop it on me?
No.
No.
It's not gonna hit you. Oh.
Yo.
Is this valid? Matcha? You guys like matcha?
No, not in
I love matcha. I think this
Yo,
shit.
my phone. This shit's fucking hack.
It's terrible. Man, I'm about to put you on the sauce. I don't care how much money I'm making, I'm not spending fucking a band on a shirt, bro. This dude would definitely spend a band on a shirt. I ain't spending a band on a shirt till I make like, till I have like at least $1 million in the bank, bro. So the method is Nordstrom's, bro. You get like some calm shit, it's like clean, like brands, but it's not like OD.
Notice, all right, notice who actually like dresses well, and notice who did cop something at Nordstrom versus who didn't.
All right, let's show the shirt you got, bro. Show the shirt you got and then speak. Hell no. We dress completely different too. You wear like weird shit. I wear just like calm, like plain blanks and shit. Yeah, tell me. Don't ever speak again, my boy. But if you dress like calm like me, bro, Nordstrom's the method. I don't like to throw fits like that. He wakes up and tries to like throw fits every day. Like, that's not me personally, but. Bro, if someone is watching this that's like, bro, they just started business like a month ago, what would you tell them?
Okay. Hey, bro, but you gotta cut off your hometown friends. That doesn't mean don't be friends with them, but they're distracting you. Because there's so much going on in your hometown with your hometown friends. They're distracting you. So it's like making you, what's the word I'm looking for, bro? It's giving you like FOMO, like being friends with them, because it's like you can't be around them as much, but you're trying to like do your own work. You gotta step away from your friend group, bro. Stuff. There's no distractions. The only thing in between you and work is you and your family.
I kind of agree. The way I think about it, bro, is whenever I go home and I think about, oh, I'm gonna film a YouTube video, or oh, I'm gonna film like something, or I'm gonna do something, I double take it, because they don't do that. So I'm like, oh, is this weird? Is this weird? You know what I'm saying? Like, it makes me hesitate on things because other people don't do it.
Yeah.
But when I'm around people that are doing it, it's like instant. Like, oh, I'm gonna get to work. Oh, I'm gonna film this video. Oh, I'm gonna do this. That's the way I feel about it personally.
And I mean, that doesn't mean you can't be friends with them, bro, because I'm still friends with all my friends that I was friends with in high school, right? Like, I go back and chill with them type shit, but it's just like for now, bro, while you're in your hometown, if you're in high school or college or it's summer for you, whatever, it's like you kind of got to just like cut yourself out of the equation. And if they don't understand it and they try to like use that against you in some way, they aren't your friends, bro. Because like my friends were cool. They were like, oh, he's doing his own thing, like he's locked in, grinding, you know? Yeah. So like, they were cool about it. I'm still friends with all of them to this day, and like they think it's really cool what I do. More money, bro.
Spend more money. Don't be afraid to spend money.
Don't be afraid to spend money.
Don't tell people, like, I know people say like work in silence shit, like, and that's a little bit corny, but you don't need to be telling people everything you do, bro. Realistically, no one gives a fuck. No one gives a fuck what you're doing until you make something happen, bro. So stop fucking yapping, bro. No one cares what you're doing. No one cares what you post. No one cares about you, bro. Maybe your mom. That's it. Realistically, no one gives a fuck about you. Let's say you post something and you're scared people are gonna make fun of you. They probably will make fun of you, but they're probably scrolling through their shit, see your thing for 1 second, laugh at it, and then scroll and forget about you 2 minutes later, bro. I promise you, no one gives a fuck about you that much. So that's how I think about it. Last night, me and Brez in the middle of the night went and got bacon, egg, and cheese at some deli down the street, or like right under us. Fredo didn't get one and he was mad, so he's trying one. This is a taste test review. This shit is so good, bro. Awesome.
Smell test?
Out of 10. Like what, from the smell? From the smell? Okay, okay.
Hey, which corner?
Because you got American cheese, I got cheddar.
Which corner should I buy?
That one.
Puro huevo, way.
Okay, see. See. Dale. Oh. Too hot, too hot. You can't get a good rating if it's too hot, bro. Oh. This shit doesn't look that good on cam, but it's hella good. Bro's in pain. Bro's using one of our towels as a napkin. Nasty, yeah, boy.
Bro, it's too hot right now.
Blowing it from this angle.
Good as shit.
Oh, is that mayo in it? Wait, no. No. Mayo?
What's wrong with mayo?
Try that shit. Try it on cam. Try it on cam. Watch out, watch out. Oh, your bed's cooked. Bro. Fredo, your bed is cooked.
Bro. Come on, bro.
You're going to be rolling around. There's going to be sausage in your feet.
Bro, last night, I moved my arm and I felt like bacon.
What do you rate it? Looks pretty good. That looks like Taco Bell meat.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Gotta go to the WAP thing right now. Let's do a little fit check, Brez. Fit check.
Chrome T.
Brown
Brown
Supreme.
I just copped these yesterday.
Yeah, those are tough. Fredo.
A little comfort.
Hey, they're calling me a fucking default character, bro. Am I cooked?
Let me know in the chat. Is he cooked? All right, let me.
How am I cooked, though? It's all black. You can't go wrong with all black.
You're chilling, bro.
Fuck you.
I feel like I'm low-key stepping today. Like the words on the back.
I see from the front, though.
Green on the wrist. It's a little default, but it's cool. We got green on the wrist, too. Like a full office of people just fucking grinding for the company. Like, this is like some real business shit. That's what we need to be on eventually, bro. But hey, shout out WAP, though. They gave us like some merch and shit. Like, they're showing love, but I mean, it's all business at the end of the day, bro. These dudes are trying to get to their fucking money. How up do you think the people who own WAP are? How up?
Do you never see the podcast with Brett?
Nah.
Bro, he's walking down there right now. I just saw him in a blue t-shirt. Bro, they're fucking up.
How up? Tens of M's?
I would say, like, clearing 8 easy.
Clearing 8 M's?
Clear. I don't know if they have, like, 20 or something. Definitely clear 8.
I would say more than 8, bro. Like, look at this operation they have going on. Bro, rent in this building alone is probably like 50 bands a month. Easily. This location, New York, this whole floor. Nice ass building, nice ass view. Like, look, bro, we're right on the Brooklyn Bridge. I don't know if you guys can see. But, like, bro, I would say at least 50 grand a month, bro, which is insane. But damn, what do you have to say to the people about WAP? This low-key will hit a bunch of growth operators, so.
If you're not already using WAP, what are you doing?
What are the benefits of WAP?
Distribution through the marketplace, payment processing. If you get shut down on Stripe, you can use WAP payments, and you can run your entire back end, manage how everything looks, affiliate program, see everything all in one.
W, realistically, you have no motion if you haven't been banned on Stripe. Is that correct?
That's facts. If you haven't been banned on Stripe,
That's valid.
get your motion up.
Yeah,
For real. Been banned on Stripe.
Hey, let me know if you need WAP payments. I'll get you my affiliate link. Which one looks better? Loki, I might have to trade you, bro. I'm gonna try it, and then you try that. Let me know if you want to switch. All right, bet. All right, boys, we made it on the WAP wall. Look at Fredo. So adorable.
Is this like the we made it?
Yo, stop.
Just picked up this brand right here, Kid. I don't know, I think it's in New York too, but it's a cool store. They sell like other shit in there too. I got a Rude shirt. I got one Kid shirt. So we're on a mission right now. Find some more clothes. We've been getting ready to leave this whole morning, bro. And then we're like, oh, I hope I'm not in the middle seat again. So we go to check who's in what seat. And Our flight is fucking tomorrow, bro. Bro, they've been coming in our room telling us to like get out and we just haven't left, bro.
We're
And
so
I feel
cooked
sick.
because
Oh
we're not
my
going to be able to
God.
get a room.
Can we get
again.
another flight? Can we get a flight for today?
Why not?
Let's get a flight for today, bro.
What? Fredo,
Bro,
guess what our flight is,
Our
bro.
flight's tomorrow, bro.
How is it? I'm still eating.
No, how was that?
Oh, that? It was hella good, bro.
Bro's eating green eggs and ham. Tell me this guy doesn't look like Cat in the Hat. Look at this dude, tried to be different and healthy and ended up with some fucking bullshit.
It was disgusting.
Yeah, you fucked up. But that was hella good.
Bro's eating like fish eggs.
Tell me a riddle, Cat in the Hat.
You're messed up.
Anyways, we're near Central Park right now. We just had to book an Airbnb because we thought our flight. Brez is just retarded.
Come on, you can't blame me, bro.
We all thought the flight was today and we were like getting ready, packing up and shit, about to call Uber to the airport. And we checked the flight thing to see who's in the middle seat and it says our flight is tomorrow, bro. We're like, bro. So we just booked the Airbnb and so we're actually in a hella nice area right now. We're like by Central Park. So we're about to see what this Airbnb is about, but creepy ass, bro. There's just a room full of beds.
Hey, man, be grateful, man.
Bed.
How about that one?
All right, I got this one then. Not too shabby.
Kind of nice. What do you think this costs a month?
No.
4K? That's it?
Yeah. 4K.
Really? I would have thought more, bro.
Bro already peed on the seat.
Where? Bro.
We're here at Chrome Hearts Brez. If you window shop again, it's over for you,
Bro.
bro.
What have you bought in this video?
I'm not the one that claiming, let's go shopping, let's go shopping, let's go to Chrome
Yeah,
Hearts.
because every time we go shopping, there's nothing good, bro. We haven't went anywhere there's good shit.
Quick check on Brez. What do you guys think about this one?
I already posted on Instagram. I don't need to address it.
Yeah, bro literally woke up and said, I already posted on Instagram. I don't need to put a fit on.
It's facts, bro. It's facts. Boys, we're here at dinner right now. Fredo, Brez. Brez is bracelet maxing right now. Brez, show them what you bought. Dior, Louis Vuitton. You just bought 2 of those, right? Right now.
This one?
Hey, you guys think the 4 bracelets is low-key sus?
No, I'm gonna stop rocking this one.
So just 3?
Just the 2 Louis and the Dior.
Yo, why are you Aura maxing right now, sitting next to the bags and shit?
I don't know, those aren't all my bags.
What'd you get?
Got a little
Timu
LV
bracelet.
It's some shoes.
Some shoes.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, those are tough as shit. Congrats, man. I'm proud of you.
Man, fuck you.
Good job, sir, on all of your successes. I wish you the best on your future endeavors. We were supposed to go to a restaurant up there on the rooftop, but we got cooked. They gotta be 21 days.
Yeah, of course Fredo doesn't have a fake, so we couldn't get in.
Why would they let me book the reservation without having the ID, but then we get there and I need the ID? Make it make sense.
That's facts. That's facts.
Exactly.
All right, boys, we're finally wrapping up our trip. Supposedly there was some fucking some like cybersecurity attack or some shit, but thankfully our flight didn't get delayed. But we're about to finally go home right now. We were working, bro. Don't trip. Brez's offer. You see right here, we've done like 15K this past week exactly.
I don't know.
I know, definitely not enough. But his lead traffic is kind of low right now. But just the other day we had like a 7K day, so that's pretty solid. But we've been working, bro. Don't trip. We've been working. But other than that, we're finally about to go home, get back to Arizona and really lock in, bro. I've been lacking a little bit. But thankfully the systems I've put into place have allowed us to make money without me being like fully attentive, which was the goal. But other than that, bro, that pretty much wraps it up for the video. Let me know if you guys like this video. I know I didn't drop too much sauce, but just like a vlog type video. But if you guys like this video, let me know down below. If you want to join my Telegram where I send voice notes about growth operating and just my day-to-day life every single day, follow me on Instagram and DM me. I'll leave my Instagram down below. Follow me on Instagram and DM me, and I'll send you a link to my Telegram. Do not DM me if you don't follow me. Other than that, I grant you guys 30 years of growth operating. Good luck, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.